Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So it's been quite a while since I posted another video. There's been some big changes. We've moved to a whole different state, and we're living in Nevada now, and we just, there's a lot of changes. So basically, we just decided that we were going to move to a different location altogether, to try something completely new, and here we are. So you'll notice in my old videos from quite a while ago that the house has changed, obviously. So I just wanted to throw up a quick video just to get started again, and just kind of get my feet wet and get going. So I have gone ahead, and I'm going to go ahead and upload this video of when we first moved in, and we were just literally getting boxes unpacked and everything like that. There's definitely going to be a lot of changes in the home. First off, the kitchen color is horrid, in my opinion, so I'm going to go ahead and change that. I haven't decided on a color. I'm thinking probably like a light gray, but right now it's this crazy red color and I cannot stand it. But we'll be going ahead and updating that pretty soon. I'll be posting videos of that. I'm just starting to figure out what I'm going to do as far as decorating and stuff goes. I've got a couch that I need to put together and rearranging because I've decided I need to move my living room around. So if you like my channel, definitely subscribe and hit the like button. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Thanks for watching.
In the madness, you got me good, baby. Keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. I'm pretty sure you're born like this. Talk before you think it's your original touch, but I guess it kinda works on you. You got me paper thin, doing concrete face, diving romance in the madness. You got me good, baby. Keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. messed it up. You got me paper thin, doing concrete face, got me romancing the madness. You got me good, baby, keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. You already messed it up.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. back, not yet. Do I ever forget make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. You, oh you, able to tell the truth. No one else can see you like I do. All you ever do is say how far you wanna go. Baby, I can tell it's just for show. Every line designed to let me know. You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you love me. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you love me. When we are together, you're afraid to hold my hand, trying to understand. What if this doesn't go as planned? So you don't know what it means to be loyal and kind. I know that you're not blind. Tell me what is really on your mind. You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you love me. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you love me. I see them pulling your strings, and you might be seeing things. Yeah. You know I'm real and I'm here. Who cares in a few years? You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be